Welcome to Tech Spectrum. This video will be going over the top 5 graphics cards. These items were selected based on our personal preferences, and we hope they'll help in choosing what's best for you. Number 5. Best eSports graphics card, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super. The NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super is our pick as the best graphics card for eSports gaming. Powered by the award-winning NVIDIA Turing architecture, running at 1785 MHz boost clock and ultra-fast 6GB GDDR6 memory, the card is a supercharger for today's most popular games, at up to 20% faster than the original GTX 1660, and up to 1.5 times faster than the previous generation GTX 1060. The Turing shaders feature concurrent execution of floating point and integer operations, adaptive shading technology, and a new unified memory architecture with 2 times more cache than its predecessor. You'll experience a faster, cooler, and quieter gaming experience with 1.4 times power efficiency over the previous generation. Get the competitive edge you need at sub 25 milliseconds with NVIDIA Reflex and 144 plus FPS. And unlock dramatic performance and reliability with exclusive NVIDIA Studio drivers designed to supercharge creative applications. Compete tear-free when combined with NVIDIA G-Sync displays that feature exceptional responsiveness, built-in eSports mode, reflex latency analyzer, and stunning image quality. Download the essential companion software, GeForce Experience, to keep your drivers up to date and optimize your game settings with NVIDIA GameWorks. NVIDIA Shadowplay lets you record and share gameplay, while NVIDIA Ansel lets you capture super resolution, 360-degree HDR, and stereo photographs of your most brilliant gaming experiences. Optimized for your favorite streaming apps, the card features a dedicated hardware encoder that unlocks the ability to game and stream simultaneously with superior quality. If competitive gaming is important to you, the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super is a great choice. Number 4. Best Value Graphics Card, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti is our selection as the graphics card with the best value. Take on the latest games using the power of NVIDIA Ampere, the second-generation RTX architecture, featuring enhanced ray tracing cores and tensor cores, new streaming multiprocessors, and high-speed G6 memory. It has a 1.67 GHz boost clock, 8GB GDDR6 memory, and 4,864 CUDA cores. Crank up the settings and resolution for an incredible visual experience with NVIDIA DLSS, a groundbreaking AI rendering that boosts frame rates with uncompromised image quality using the dedicated AI processing tensor cores. Simulate the physical behavior of light to bring real-time, cinematic-like rendering to even the most visually intensive games, with the holy grail of gaming graphics, ray tracing. Victory is measured in milliseconds, and NVIDIA Reflex delivers the ultimate competitive advantage with the lowest latency. Combined with an NVIDIA G-Sync gaming monitor, you'll be able to acquire targets faster, react quicker, and increase aim precision through a revolutionary suite of technologies. Take your creative projects to a new level with the NVIDIA Studio platform of dedicated drivers and exclusive tools, and steal the show with incredible graphics and smooth, stutter-free live streaming with the NVIDIA Broadcast app that utilizes powerful AI capabilities like noise removal, virtual backgrounds, and more. Additional features include GeForce Experience with game-ready drivers, NVIDIA Ansel virtual reality support, and DirectX 12 Ultimate. If you want the best bang for your buck, be sure to check out the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti. Take a moment to hit the like button if you're enjoying the video so far. Let us know in the comments below what you're currently using and if it's time for an upgrade. Number 3. Best Professional Graphics Card, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090 is our recommendation as the best graphics card for professional use. This big and ferocious GPU with Titan-class performance is powered by NVIDIA Ampere and doubles down on ray tracing and AI performance with enhanced RT cores, tensor cores, and new streaming multiprocessors. It also features a staggering 24GB G6X memory, 1.7 GHz boost clock, and 10,496 CUDA cores to deliver the ultimate gaming experience. Enjoy ray tracing and ultra-high resolutions with NVIDIA DLSS technology. which uses advanced AI rendering to produce image quality that's comparable to native resolution. The AI rendering on dedicated tensor cores pushes frame rates up, giving you headroom to maximize graphic settings. HDMI 2.1 makes it possible for 8K HDR gaming on a single cable, while NVIDIA Shadowplay lets you capture 8K HDR footage and playback smoothly with AV1 decode. Combined with the NVIDIA G-Sync gaming monitor to utilize NVIDIA Reflex to measure and optimize system latency for competitive games, and render complex 3D scenes and edit 8K videos with the NVIDIA Studio platform, which delivers AI acceleration in the top creative apps. Transform your gaming space into a home studio with AI-powered audio and video effects in the NVIDIA Broadcast app, where you can remove distracting background noise, customize your background, and more at the touch of a button, letting you take your live streams, video chats, and conference calls to the next level. If content creation is a priority for you, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090 is tough to beat. Number 2. Best AMD Graphics Card AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT. The AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT is our selection as the best AMD graphics card. Powered by AMD RDNA 2 architecture, the card delivers ultra-high frame rates and serious 4K resolution, so you'll rule your games with 72 compute units, 128 MB AMD Infinity Cache, 2250 MHz boost frequency, and 16 GB GDDR6 memory. Discover power's performance in both AAA gaming and eSports gaming. AAA gaming features focus on giving a truly immersive gaming experience with DirectX 12 Ultimate, a robust visual feature set enabled by AMD Fidelity FX, drawing out more detail with Radeon image sharpening, and one-click overclocking with Radeon software performance tuning presets. Esports gaming features focus on attaining no tearing or stuttering on over 1,300 monitors with AMD FreeSync technology, utilizing lower input latency to get a competitive edge with Radeon anti-lag, and getting that extra performance boost when needed with Radeon Boost. Build the ultimate gaming PC by pairing the graphics card with an AMD Ryzen processor to harness the full potential of the graphics memory with AMD Smart Access memory technology, and enjoy increased performance with all AMD in your system to gain the ultimate gaming advantage. Future-proof your card with AMD Fidelity FX Super Resolution, which uses cutting-edge upscaling technologies to boost frames and select titles and deliver a high-quality, high-resolution gaming experience without needing to upgrade to a new graphics card. If you favor AMD cards, the AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT is your best option. Before we continue, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification icons to stay up to date with our latest videos, and check out the links in the description for more info. Number 1. Best Overall Graphics Card NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 tops our list as the best overall graphics card. It has 8,704 CUDA cores, 1.71 GHz boost clock, and 10 GB GDDR6X memory. Powered by NVIDIA Ampere architecture with enhanced RT cores and tensor cores, new streaming multiprocessors, and super fast G6X memory, the card delivers the ultra performance that gamers everywhere crave. The new dual axial flow-through design delivers the highest possible thermal performance without compromising fan acoustics and reinforces the natural airflow in the chassis for a quieter, cooler gaming system. AI revolution has come to gaming with NVIDIA DLSS technology. Enjoy ray tracing in ultra-high resolutions as you max out your settings with plenty of room to spare. Choose between customizable image quality options to control the game's internal rendering resolution, and count on the supercomputer performance to train and improve its AI model to help boost your performance. Bring games to life with ultra-realistic visual effects and faster frame rates using DirectX 12 Ultimate, and experience the most immersive VR experiences with virtual reality support. Get the highest level of performance with game-ready drivers through the GeForce Experience companion software, and enjoy smooth, tear-free gaming up to 360Hz with NVIDIA G-Sync and NVIDIA Reflex. Up your creative game with NVIDIA Studio, stream like a boss with NVIDIA Broadcast, and turn your screenshots into art with NVIDIA Ansel. If you're looking for the top-performing card for your games, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 holds the title. That's it for our list, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links below to support the channel. Click the next video to watch more reviews. Until next time, this has been Tech Spectrum.